Dear subscribers, today I will tell you how you can easily install Photoshop on your Android. So for doing this you just need to go to Play Store. Just go to Search tab and just write in Search tab Photoshop. Here you can see it. So first you will see this app with good review, so just click on it. Here you can see Adobe Photoshop Express Photo Editor College Maker. So here you can see it also have about 1 million reviews. It capacity it's about 67 megabytes, and also it has about 100 million downloads. It's really a huge number. So let's try. Let's just click install and just wait until it will successfully download and install this app on your phone, and you will have access for opening it and for editing your photos. So this is how it works. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.